Now I would like to give a short brief on Mr. Sachin Mehta, the second heart of Sudarshan Pharma.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, Bharat, for organizing this event, Global Chem, and this is really a magical platform for us. I would welcome all the members on the dais and welcome all the guests who are here. Right now, there is a session called Import and Export Knowledge, or we can say input. So here, like import and export is anything that is a breathing for the country. So for example, import is also necessary as well as export is also a necessary thing. Import justifies the growing economy and export justifies the growth in the country and the revenue that gets into the country. Exports of inorganic chemicals and organic chemicals is of almost $30 billion. The major top three states are Gujarat with $14.59 million, with Maharashtra with $5.28 billion, and with Andhra Pradesh with $2.51 billion. Soon India will be entering into $5 trillion economy by 2025. So each and every country had understood that export gives more benefit to the country. I would like to give an example. Till 2017, there were few products that were only available in Korea, Taiwan and Japanese market. Soon by the end of 2017, there were almost more than 4 manufacturers in China. And now today majority particular product is coming from China. So the basis of import-export is technology. So if any country imports the technology or they themselves develop the technology which is with a flow reactor or something using a catalyst, whichever all doctorates are working on it, so then the country can have a great export. There is a common myth that India has a lot of population, so why there is a need of import or why there is a need of export. But you can imagine the same thing with China, that China is also having a great population, but they rule the world. So here we must change our mindset. Like here, a lot of people, most of are there from the trading community who trade a lot of products which are being manufactured by India. Like there are a lot of manufacturers who manufacture caustic or other basic solvents or basic chemicals. So in order to focus import and export, we must focus on getting the raw materials at a competitive price, and we can do a manufacturing in India and we can export it. India has the lowest rate of interest in terms of manufacturing, and in terms of trading, India has the highest rate of interest. So our common goal for all our community is to export more and to start manufacturing. There are few important points, like for example, when we started exporting or even in fact imports. So we have to think as a global mindset. Now if you want to export into Nepal, then you must think that you are like you are living in Nepal. So if a trader imports in Nepal, then the duty is almost 25 to 8%. But if a manufacturer imports in Nepal, then the duty is 1%. So for any country, first we are trying to make an office, because there are a lot of formulation units coming in Nepal. So like the same way, each and every industry, whether you want to export or import to any country, first we have to become a local guy over there, or we have to think based on that point of view. Then we can become a successful guy. Now India has, each and every country, of course, they are doing a lot of activity to promote their own products. So there are few important points, like important two major aspects are there. Of course, the normal things like DGFT license and everything is common. Now due to internet world, there is no boundaries as such. But the important organization that is working based on Narendra Modi sir's guideline is FIEO, that is Federal of Indian Export Organization. Of course, ECGC is there. And there is another organization which is having a backup of government, that is POGO code. In fact, this is recently been ventured by us. So that POGO code logistic can give idea of all the logistic aspects. Like there are a lot of times, because logistic plays a ball game changer. So we can monitor all the costing, all the price on POGO code. So, as a Sudarshan Pharma Industries Limited, we have made an international platform. We have an international desk with Singapore tie-up with Dubai. We have an international tie-up with Europe. So any of us from here want to promote their products into international market, Sudarshan can be the right platform, and as brother explained in the previous movie, together we can achieve more. So we believe in transparency and we work on transparency basis, and definitely we can have a good success together. Coming on to the one point that is very crucial for import-export, that is technology. Like always we have to think the technology has to be cutthroat technology and a proven technology which can promote a really good export. So thank you very much. Have a nice day and have a great day. Thank you. If anyone has a question, please let us know. Or you can also send us the email which Dravan told. Thank you. Thank you very much.